Hey guys, get my premium lot for absolutely free. This lot has no password attached to it. All you have to do is like this video so that I'll be encouraged to put out more free lots. And also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notification so that you'll be among the first notified when we put out more free premium packages. For those of you that are finding it difficult to do frequency separation, please let me know in the comment section. If your number is just barely above 10, I'll put out a video and also give you a free frequency separation action. Just go to the comment section right now and let me know your thoughts. To get this lot, head to the comment section. You see a pinned comment there or the description where you see a link that will lead you to the website where you can download this lot seemingly, effortlessly. Try it out and come back and give me your feedback. I really appreciate each and every one of you supporting this channel. Happy to be part of your creative journey. See you in another amazing tutorial.